Alright, so welcome back to my vlog channel, guys. Just another day stuck on an island. It's a Saturday. I think it's Saturday the something, I really don't know. As you guys might know, well, if you're from Jamaica, you know that generally on a Saturday it's just a day that we do chores and we do stuff like that. So that's pretty much how I will be starting off my day, doing a few things. But I remembered yesterday I saw this wonderful mango, not at the supermarket but on a tree, and it's as easy as this, guys. Mango. It's easy as this to get a mango in Jamaica. Well, generally this is what we call, I think it's an East Indian mango. Yeah, very popular mangoes out here. But I'm gonna start on some chores and then I guess I'll see you guys later. I'm not sure. Oh, okay, you can have the mango. All right, yeah, you can have it. Yeah, go ahead. That's what happens when you have an extremely greedy dog. But whatever. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing today is clean my bird cage. And of course, this Mr. Grumpy is going to be running around and acting a fool. It's just ridiculous. You look in the cage, it's like really horrible. It's been a minute. But I told him that I'd get him a girlfriend for Christmas if he behaved himself. I mean, Christmas is already gone, but are you going to behave yourself? Huh? Cloudy. 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 Whatever. Cloudy. So like I've had that bird for, well, this bird for maybe over a year, but when I bought it, he was like pretty old. He was maybe like, I don't know, he was like in the pet store for a while. But I was like, you know, I don't think any bird should be like in a pet store for so long. So I bought him, and even now he's not domesticated. So I don't know. I don't know if I buy him a girlfriend, he's definitely not going to be any more domesticated because he's going to spend all his time with his girls. But I'm just gonna get to cleaning the cage and just leave him be because he's a grumpy old bird. Like the bird literally hisses. Like I didn't know that birds hiss. I think he's like a gray cockatiel or something like that, but yeah. So like the cage, if you take a quick look, like you realize that I built it myself. It was either spending like $8,000 for like a cage, which is like $80 US, as opposed to making one for myself for like maybe $1,000 I spent, I think. So I just have to remove it from there, take him outside, and then give him a proper bath and then clean the cage. Alright, so now I pretty much have Mr. Grumpy on the floor, so I'm just gonna do like a basic just wash, you know, scrub out the little poop and stuff that's on the edges and stuff, and then he should be good to go. I usually spray probably like a little bit of peroxide on his wings and then rinse it off really quickly to prevent like lice or whatever they have sometimes. So yeah, that's pretty much what I'm gonna do, and yeah. So he's pretty much done having his shower. It's a little bit cold now, obviously, but I'm just going to allow him to air dry a little bit. Watch him to know. I just swear, you're a bad man, you're afraid of water. Afraid of water. But yeah, I don't shower him very often though. Probably like every 3 months maybe. So do you see him hissing? Yeah, bad man. Yeah. So like I just got a lot done. What did I do? Well, I cleaned the bird cage obviously, and I washed my car, and as I said, I'm going to try to get a female bird for him. The last time I went there was none, so if you get lucky, well, if he gets lucky, he'll get a girlfriend today. If not, just go and eat it single. So we just got to the pet store, and I can smell like pet food already. Yeah, kind of durable. So I'm here in my favorite place ever because I really like animals, as you guys can see. Hey! Hey! I used to have budgies at one point, but then my dogs, I mean, one day I let them out and the dogs got to them and ate them. So, hey! Hey! Yeah, y'all ain't camera shy at all. You like the camera, huh? Check if these birds have penises or vaginas. I'm not quite sure. Is that female? Awesome. Is that a grey cockatiel, right? That's the one I want. I want that grey cockatiel. Now look at this bird. This bird costs what? $25,000. That's somebody's paycheck. You're a paycheck, right? Mm-hmm. So we got the bird. I was just trying to get like some accessories for it. Well, I already have toys in there already. I wanted like some bowls, like some food bowls or something like that, but they're far too expensive and I already have some. I also wanted like a bigger one. What am I gonna do? I think we need cuttle bones, so I'll go ask them if they have any cuttle bones by the bulk, because the birds obviously like that because it has calcium or something like that in there. I think they call them remora or something like that, like fish, like tank cleaners or something of the sort. Like I always got them, but they always seem to die in the tank. It's ridiculous. So really and truly, I was in here trying to find Nemo, but Nemo is really not here. Yo, you have no Nemo? No fish named Nemo? No? Ornamental fish? Only the ornamental one. So I just got the bird and I'm ready to go. So generally anytime I pass the roadside, this lady was selling bull and cheese. I mean, are the best bull and cheese me ever eat. So I always buy it. And I always call it, I'm gonna call it national dish. So watch out. You have my thing? You have national dish? Yeah, run me national dish now. Me? How much for again? 150. Put how much you butter upon it? Yeah. Yeah, running little chiffon butter, you know? Ah, bless. Yeah, I know, right? So I just got my national dish. It's by no means the Jamaican national dish, but it's what I call mine. What's this? Bull and cheese in a scandal bag. Yo, it's kind of bougie, but yo, I like it. And I just always believe if you like something, just run with it, you know? That's what you like. It don't really matter what it be. It could be like tin mackerel and them something they like. Who cares? Like, that's what you like. You know, it doesn't matter if you can afford it or afford it even better, but I like what I like. Do you know what I do for you? And still you look at me with no respect. Cloudy. Yo, like this bird is really embarrassing. Like Jono. But it's like probably the closest thing coming to like being a parent, because I mean, you do everything you can and then them still not have to like you. Like no matter what you try. Even when I go out there and I get you girls, do you know what I do for you? But anyway. But yeah, what I'm gonna do is go inside, clip the bird's wing, that's the new bird, and then introduce them, I guess. But 3 other bird that stay. Watch this. As soon as we're gone, him come down. Watch it now. Prince, watch out. I'm gonna leave. I'm gonna go. So I'm gonna say as soon as we're gone. Yeah, but you eat the seed though. Whenever I come to you, if I talk to you, you don't want to talk to me. Hey. Oh, I'm gone. Do you see your girlfriend? Or your friend, whatever you want to be? Now if you guys can see, this is a look of heavy defeat on my face right now. Like, I decided to walk all the way to go to the botanical gardens. No such luck. So I just have to walk all the way back to where I'm coming from. So I guess, I don't know, this might be how I end my day, and then I probably might try to go tomorrow, but I'm not sure. But I'm kind of really disappointed. It's supposed to be closed at like 5 and it's like 3:30 p.m. and one of the gates are already closed, and I have no intentions of actually going all the way back around to the front. So I might just take you guys there tomorrow and we can just relax and pre that. You know, also I wanted to go to that bacchanal party last night, well tonight, but I'm still not sure. Like, I think the ticket's like probably $4,000, well 4 or 5 at the gate if we're doing like an all-inclusive setup. And you know, I think I just wanted to get a bird for my bird, as opposed to looking at beautiful girls dancing and carrying on and looking all so good. I think I really made like a really grave mistake. Like, I think I really made like a really grave mistake. Like, big man thing, but yeah, I'm not sure yet, but I'll go call on my friends and see later on. And if I go, then I'll definitely, you know, take you guys along with me. If not, tomorrow.